Today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami. Sorry, adjusting the light. We're going to learn how to make a origami heart very easily. This one's very simple. So if you got colored paper or anything like that, you can use that. I'm going to put the colored side down though, because you're going to want the colored side to show, right? So say you got all red or whatever. You got two different colors. The color you want to show up, you're going to put on the bottom to start. Okay? Now, if you don't have a square sheet of paper and you just have printer paper lying around, you can always take a sheet, fold it like so. Nice and neat. And then you can cut this extra piece, this extra flap, you can cut it off. And if you're a child doing this, please get an adult to help you. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. Thank you. When you cut that off, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper, like so. Then you can make it from your square paper. Now, I've got some origami paper, so I'm just going to use this. So, color side down. And we're going to fold it in half, corner ways, both ways. So, take the corners, line them up. Oops, line them up, and fold. Take the other corners, line them up, just like that, and then fold. Now, you can unfold it. So now we got two sets of creases. Now we're going to fold the top point of the paper down to that center point we just made. Whoops, make sure it's nice and even. The more even and precise your folds are, the more better your end product turns out to be. Whatever it is you're folding, the better it will be in the end. And the easier it will turn out as you're folding it if you get your first steps nice and tight. And you get your first steps down nice and good, nice and tight folds, nice and even, and you'll have a great end product when you're done. So, fold to the bottom, or the top point to the center. You're going to take that bottom point and you're going to fold that up to the top. Just like that. And then you're going to fold the right side to meet the crease in the center. So just like that. You're going to fold the left side to meet the crease in the center as well. Just like that. You can already see that the shape of a heart is starting to show up already. We're almost done. So we're going to flip the paper over to the opposite side. You're going to want to fold right here. You're going to fold these corners inwards just a little bit. Nice and evenly. Try to make it the same as the other side. Right about there. So now we got the two edges too far folded in. Yeah, I'm going to refold that. I don't like how far over that is. Okay. I like that better. Now, you're going to take and fold the two top points down. So fold it down like that, and then fold this one down like that. Then you can flip it over, and you got your heart. It's all completed. Very easy to do, very kid-friendly, simple. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.